Hi students, in our last class we discussed about the relations, that is the first concept of relations and functions we studied in our last class. In today's class we are going to study about another important concept of mathematics, and it is called as functions. Okay, see, as similar of relation, it is a special type of relation. A function is nothing but it is a special type of relation. Okay, so we can get the correspondence of between a set A into set B in a relation also, in a function also. Okay, in this concept also we will get the correspondence between the one set into another set, the element of one set into the another set. Okay, see, when we can call a relation is a function, that we will study first. Okay, the definition of function, when we can say a relation is a function. Okay, so I'll write the definition of function first. See, so today's our topic is function. In that, the definition, it says that let A and B be any two non-empty sets. A function, or if, what is the condition that I'll write first? See, if every element of A have one and only one element. Okay, every element of A related to one and only one element of B, the set B is called, okay, then that representation is nothing but a function. Okay, see, a function means what? A relation F. Okay, a relation F we are using for function, a relation F from a set A into a set B. A relation F from a set A into a set B is said to be a function. If every element of A is related to one and only one element of B, or we can say this is nothing but unique. Okay, every element of A is related to unique element of B, then we can say it is a function. Okay, when we can say a relation is a function, if every element of A is related to unique element of B. Okay, see, I'll take one example for that. Okay, see, I'll consider two non-empty sets. I'll consider A and B. Consider A have the elements A, B, C, D, and B have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'll consider one relation. Okay, a relation like this: A related to 1, B related to 2, C related to 3, D related to 4. Now you can observe in this relation, every element of A have one and only one element, okay, or images in B, or we can say every element of A is related to unique element of B. You can observe the element A related to 1, element B related to 2, element C related to 3, element D related to 4. So every element of A is related to unique element of B. In this case, this relation become a function, and this is called a function. This relation becomes a function. Clearly this is a function, or this is a function. Okay, so that I can write here function from A to B. This is a function from where function from A to B. So I can write like this. Okay, one representation like this. Function to say f is a function from A to B. Okay, like this. Now I will give another example for better understanding. Okay, see, I'll consider another set, two sets A and B we have, and here you have the elements A, B, C, D, same elements I'll consider, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just I'll take the images or relation like that. See, A related to 1, B related to 1, C related to 2, D related to 3. Now whether this relation is a function, clearly this is also a function, because we can observe every element of A have unique images. We can observe element A related to 1, element A related to 1, number 1, element B related to number 1. Okay, so element A have only one images in B, element B have only one images in B, element C related to 2, element D related to 3. So every element have only one images. Okay, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ? ಒಂದು, ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಮಾತ್ರ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ, ಈಗ ಬಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ? 2. ಓಕೆ, 2 ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಈ ಆರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, ಬಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ each element of first set is related to unique element of second set, and clearly this is also a function. This is a function. So this is a function from A to B. So how the example we can give for a relation which is not a function? ಹೇಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು? See, I'll take same set here, A and B. A and B. A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, I'll consider A related to 1, A related to 2, B related to 3, C related to 4, D related to 5. Now we can observe here the element A of first set A have 2 images, or the element A is related to 2 element of second set. It is not having one element, one image. Okay, so element of first set, that is A, is related to 2 elements of second set. So clearly this is not a function. No need to check other. Okay, so here only the condition false, alva. So this is not a function, not a function. Another example consider. See, same example, not a function ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಬೇಡ ಇದನ್ನು ಇರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇರೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, A and the set B. Here you have the elements same A, B, C, D. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now A related to 1, B related to 2, C related to 3. D is related to no element of second set. So whether this is a function? No. Because again see here, every element of first set have the images in second set, or every element of first set should relate any one element of second set, but here D is vacant. D is not related to any element of second set, so that we can say it is not a function. This is not a function. Okay, this is not a function. Okay, so the condition is it should have only one images, it should have only one images, and every element must have at least a minimum, not minimum, exactly one images. Every element must have the images and only one images. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಗೆ ಎರಡು ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಗೆ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ದ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಅ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ the condition is not satisfied in these two examples or these two relations. Okay, to say a relation is a function, every element of set A is related to one and only one element of second set or unique element of second set, then only it is a function. Every element must have a relation or images. Okay, like this. So I hope you understood about the difference between a function and it is not a function. Okay, now I will move into next. Okay, next concept. See, now if you consider, this is the definition of what? Function. Definition of function. So function from where to where? A to B. So same I'll consider if f is a notation for function, we are writing small letter f is a function, if f is a function from A to B, A into the set B, A to B ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, A into B ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬದಲು ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ವರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಬಟ್ ರ್ಯಾರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾರ್ ಆಗಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಡೋದು, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ, then we can write this as like this, f like this, such this symbol already you seen in your set, A arrow mark B. Okay, if f is a function from A to B, how to denote it? F and this symbol A arrow mark B. And how to read that? To read this, okay, to read that, read, how to read, see, f is a function, ಇದನ್ನು ಓದುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಓದಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ, ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್, ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್, ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ, ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ, ಆ್ಯರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕಿ ನಾವು ಟು ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಎ ಟು ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ, ಇದೇ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ, ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯು ನೋ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್, ಇನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ the set of all elements of ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ is called domain of f. Always in function, remember, always in function, first set is called domain. So the set of all, or first set A is called domain of f. First set A is called domain of f. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಬಿ is called codomain of F. So what is domain? Domain is first set and this is a codomain. This is domain. A is domain, B is codomain. If you define a function from R to R, real number to real number. In this case, what is the domain? Real number. What is the codomain? Real number. If you consider a function from n to z, natural number to integers. Here, what is the domain of this function? Natural number. What is the codomain of this function? Integer. Okay. Now see, next about range. Before that, I'll ಟೇಕ್ ಅನದರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡಾಟಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಏನು ನೋಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೋದು? ಎಫ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ? ಲೆಟ್ ಎಫ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಟು ಬಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಓಕೆ ಸಚ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬೇಡ. ದೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್, ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ, ವೈ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. is called pre-images. Y belongs to B is called images. Okay, nodi, if you consider a function f from a to b, then the element y is called y belongs to b. Okay, the element of second set is called as image elements or images. We can say images of what? Images of x. Okay, and x belongs to a is called pre-images of y. Okay, for example, see here. Okay, I'll consider a simple example. Here you have a set A and a set B. I consider the set here 1, 2, 3 A, B, C. Okay, this is a function. Clearly it is a function. Here we can say x is the element of A, y is the element of B. So what are the images of x we have here? So that is A, B, C. Okay, so images are here A, B, C. What are the pre-images? 1, 2, 3. Okay, image of 1 is what? A. Image of 2 is what? B. Image of 3, C. What is pre-image of A? 1. Pre-image of B? 2. Pre-image of C? 3. Okay, so understood what is mean by images and what is mean by pre-images. If there is a vacant element D, D is not an image of any element because D is vacant here. Okay, like that. Now, then okay, if x is the element of A and that is the pre-image of y, and y is the element of B which is the image of x, then we can write y is equal to f of x anta baribodu. Y is nothing but f of x. That is nothing but y is the image of x under the function f ಅಂತ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? f. ಓಕೆ, f is a function here. So to say y is the image of x under the function f, we can use the symbol y is equal to f of x. Okay, y is equal to f of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ clearly you can understand here y is the image of f. Okay, image of what? The function f. Sorry, image of x under the function f. Y is the image of x under the function f ಅಂತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ a is the image of 1, so how we can write a is equal to f of 1, or we can write f of 1 is equal to a. f of 1 is what here? a. f of x is equal to y ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು, or y is equal to f of x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. Okay, so f of 1 is what? a here. The function is here f. Under f, image of 1 is a. Okay, image of 1 is a. Image of 2 is what? Image of 2 is b. Image of 3 is what? c. Okay, so in generally ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ image of x is to y ಅಂತ ಬರಿತೇವೆ. Okay, image of x is y, or y is equal to f of x. So remember this. Okay, so you got the meaning of images. These are the images. Now come to the term range. Range of f ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? See here, if you collect all the image elements, that collection is called range of the function. Means, see, the set of all images of a function. Okay, set of all images of a function is called range of the function. Range of the function f. Okay, range of function f. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಈಗ image of 1 is a, image of 2 is b, image of 3 is c, that is one vacant element d. So what are the image elements we have? a, b, c. So if you write the set of all image elements, that set is called range of the function. Okay, range of the function. Always remember, first set is called domain of the function, second set is called codomain of the function, set of all image elements are called as range of the function. Okay, so I hope you understood about domain, range and codomain, and pre-images and images. Okay, these are the pre-images and these are the images. If you have here 4, then it is not a function, because 4 does not have any images. Okay, every element must have the images. How many element? 1 images ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, how many images? 1 images. So 4 ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, so it is not a function ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲೇಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ವೇಕೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಂಥ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್. ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ರೇಂಜ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ರೇಂಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಬ್ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನು ಕಲಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಅದು ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್, ಯಾವುದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೇಂಜ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುವ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, A is equal to set of all 3, 4, 5. B is equal to set of all A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. Which of the following relation is a function from A to B? Which of the following relation is a function from A to B? A function from A to B. A to B. If it is a function, if the relation is a function, if the relation is a function, then find domain, codomain and range. Then find its domain, codomain and range. Okay, so like this they ask here, we have two sets. The sets are A and B, and here some relations they given. See the questions what they given. See R1, okay, R1 first relation, that is order pair 3 comma C, contains order pair 4 comma D, order pair 5 comma C. Okay, now tell me whether this relation is a function. See, for that we have to check, okay, whether every element of a set is involved here. Yes, 3 is involved, 4 and 5. Means every element have the images. Now how many images it have, that you have to see. Image of 3 is C. Okay, 3 have only one image, okay. 4 have the image D. 5 have the image C. But it may repeat, okay, images repeat ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಬಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. 3ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, 3ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, 3, D ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ. ಸೊ 3 have only one image, 4 have only one image, 5 have only one image. So we can say every element of A have only one image, one image in a B. Okay, so clearly it is function. Clearly the relation R1, that is relation, the given relation is a function. Now, so it is a function. Now what we need to find? Domain, codomain, range. So what is the domain? Always I said domain is a first set, that is A. A is the domain. What is the codomain? Codomain is the second set, that is B. And then what is the range? Range is nothing but set of all image elements. So what are the image elements here involved? All the elements are not images, only C and D. C comma D are the image elements, and that is nothing but range. Okay, if you want, I'll write that in arrow diagram. Okay, see, this is a set A, this is a set B. Here you had 3 elements, 3, 4, 5. Here the elements are A, B, C, D, E. Okay, as a given, image of A is C, image of 4 is D, image of 5 is C. So only 2 image elements we have, and the set of image element is nothing but range. Okay, so this is your first problem. Now I'll move into the next, to same question. The given one relation, we need to identify whether it is function or not. Okay, see, R2 is equal to set of all ordered pairs 3 comma B, 4 comma A, 3 comma D, 5 comma C. Now tell me whether this relation is a function. See here whether every element of first set is involved in this relation. Yes, 3 is involved, 4 is involved, 5 is involved. And next, whether every element have only one images? No, because 3 have the image B, 3 have the image D. So 3 have how many images? 2 images. Okay, means the element 3 of first set is related to 2 element of second set, hence it is not a function. Hence it is not a function. The relation or the given relation is not a function. Not a function. So what is the reason? Here 3 have 2 images, that is A and D. A and D. Okay. A and not A here, B. B and D. So like this you can observe. Here you have 3, 4, 5 first set. Here A, B, C, D, E second set. Image of 3 is B. Image of 3 is D also. Okay, image of 4 they given A. Image of 5 is C. But you can observe image of 3 is 1 B. Another image of 3 is 1 D. Okay, so hence it is not a function because one element have more than one images. Okay, now we'll see the next question. R3 is equal to R3, third relation, R3 is equal to set of all ordered pairs 3, A, 5, D. 5, D. Now tell me whether this relation is a function. Whether every element R of first set is involved in this set. 3 is involved, but 4 is not involved. Hence it is not a function. Okay. 4 has no images. Okay. The element 4 have no image. Okay. The element 4 have no image. Hence it is not a function. Hence it is not a function. As I said, every element must have the images, but here the element 4 of first set have no image, so it is not a function. Okay. Now again here if you want you can check it. Here you will get 3, 4, 5 and A, B, C, D, E. Image of 3 is A, image of 5 is D. Only this much they given. Here 4 is vacant. Okay, so it is not a function. Now see the next question. See the next question. R4. R4. Okay, what is the next question? See. Set of all order pair 3, B, 4, D. 4, D. Whether this relation is a function, again it is not a function. The same reason element 5 is not involved of first set in this relation. Okay, means 5 have no images or image in B. 5 have no image in the set B. Okay, so hence it is not a function. It is not a function. Okay, it is not a function. So again same, if you want you can check it by arrow diagram. So 3, 4, 5 and here A, B, C, D, E. Likewise you have image of 3 is B, image of 4 is D. Here there is a vacant element 5 which have no images or it is not related to any element of second set. Hence this is not a function. Okay. Now I'll move into same type question. One more that is very easiest. You can observe that question very easily. Okay. Now of your exercise problem I'll do. Simple problem. Okay. Very simple problem. You can solve that is very easily. Okay. Now which of the following relations are function give reason, like that same. Okay, which of the following relation? Here directly they given the relation. See, set of all 2, 1 5 comma 1, 8 comma 1, 11 comma 1, 14 comma 1, 17 comma 1. Okay, here they didn't give one set A and B. It is not necessary because we want in relation, since here they didn't give one A and B, no need to check whether every element have the images. No need to check of that. So you should understand here every element of a set here inward. Okay, now how to check what here, whether any element of a set have more than one images. See, what is the image of 1? 2, that is 1. Image of 5, 1. Image of 8 is 1. Different element have different images also, we can say. Not different image, the image 1, okay. For different element, that is 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and 17. Here image is 1 only, okay. Image of 2 is 1. Image of 5 is 1. Image of 8 is 1. Image of 11 is 1. 14 is 1. 17 is 1. Whether it is a function, as it is a function, because 2 have only one image. Okay, 2 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. 5 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 8 ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 11 ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾತ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈಚ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ now identify its domain. What is domain? Domain, as I said, it is a first set. So what is first set here? 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. What is the range? Range is nothing but set of all image element. Here you have only one image, so clearly it is a this set is nothing but range. And the codomain is nothing but the second set itself. Okay, that is set of all 1. Similarly, here next you have, see, what is the next question? Next question, very simple, you can solve very easily, right? Now, set of all order pair 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 10, 5, 12, 6, 12, 6, 14, 7. 14, 7. Now tell me whether this relation is a function. Whether any element have more than one images. Image of 2, 1. Image of 4, only 1. Image of 6 also 1. Image of 8, 12, 10, 12, 14. All element of first set have only one images. That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 have only one image. Different element it may have, but images is only one. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So like this you have. ಈ ಥರ ಇದೆ. So clearly this is a function. Clearly it is a function. Clearly it is a function. Okay, now identify what is the domain, what is the range. Domain is what? Set of all. Here you have to mention because they didn't give on the set, so we have to write all the elements here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is what? Domain. What is the range? Range is set of all image elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is the answer for your given question. Okay, I hope you understood this. I'll move it to the next. Okay, same, I'll leave it for you, okay, or else I'll solve that, no need. See, set of all order pair 1, 3, set, right, properly, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 5. Now tell me whether this relation is a function. Whether this relation is a function, clearly not, because why? Because the element 1 have 2 images. See, 1 have 2 images. Element 1 have 2 images, that is 3 and 5. Hence it is not a function. Hence it is not a function. Not a function. Okay, like this, we can identify whether the given relation is a function or not. Now, see here, a function f is defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 5. Write down the values of f of 0, f of 7, f of minus 3. Means we need to find the image of 0, image of 7, image of minus 3 we need to find. The function defined such that the image of x is what? 2x minus 5. Okay, if you have your x, this related to the element in generally 2x minus 5. Okay, now if you take your 0, this is related to which element? 2 into 0 minus 5, like this will get. See, that will solve here. 2 into 0 minus 5. 2 into 0 is nothing but 0. 0 minus 5, that is nothing but minus 5. So you got the value of image of 0. Okay. Similarly, what is the image of 7? That is 2 into 7 minus 5. Okay, 2 into 7 minus 5, or that is nothing but 14 minus 5. So 14 minus 5 is nothing but 9. Similarly, next minus 3. What is the image of minus 3? So that is f of x is 2x minus 5. So 2 into x is nothing but here minus 3 minus 5. So 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 minus 5. Minus 6 minus 5 is nothing but minus 11. Okay. So like this we can find the values of the given function. Okay. Now, ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಟಿ ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಾ ಹೋಗೋ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಇನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ Celsius into degree Celsius into okay, not in, into temperature Fahrenheit, temperature in degree Fahrenheit, like this we have Fahrenheit. Okay, right? Okay, no need here, just Fahrenheit. Okay, is defined by T of C is equal to 9C divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, T of C, here function is defined T. Okay, function is what? The function is what here? T. T is nothing but temperature. Okay, T is from where to where here? Celsius temperature. Okay, degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Okay, temperature is a function from degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Okay, see, if you consider here C is Celsius, then what is the image of C? That is 9C plus divided by 5 plus 32. This is the image in generally. Now they ask to find image of 0. Okay, image of 28, image of minus 10. Okay, so how to find image of 0? Just replace C by 0 to solve the first one. So 9 into 0 divided by 5 plus 12. See here, 9 into 0 is 0. 0 by any number is nothing but 0 only. So 0 plus 12 is nothing but 12. So the answer or the image of 0 is what? 12. Image of 0 is 12. Okay. Similarly, what is the image of 28? That is, again replace C by 28. So 9 into 28 divided by 5 plus 32. Okay, this we need to solve. Okay, solve ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. It is 72 here, 7. Okay, that is nothing but 252 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 252 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋವನ್ನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 10. ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 10 ಇದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. 5 ನೋಡಿ, 5 5 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಉಳಿಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 4. 5.4 ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 32 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 37.4 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. 37.4 ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 10 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. 9 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 10 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 9 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 10 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 5 1s 5 2s. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. 9 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಎಷ್ಟು? ಮೈನಸ್ 18 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32. ಸೊ 32 ಇಂದ 18 ನೀವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 32 ಇಂದ 18 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 16ಗೆ ನೀವು 14 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. 14 is the answer here. Now the value of C when T of C is 212. Next ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, we need to find the value of C. Find the value of C when T of C is 212. Okay, T of C ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ 9C ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32. ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 212 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂದರೆ 9C ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 32 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 212 ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 9C ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 212 ಮೈನಸ್ 32 ಅಲ್ವಾ. 212 ಮೈನಸ್ 32. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 180 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 180ಯಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 210 30 ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 180 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ 9C ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 5 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 180. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಇದನ್ನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡಿ. 9 1s 9, 20s ಈಗ 9 2s 18 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 0 ಹಾಕಿ 20s ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ C ಬೈ 5 ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 20. ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈಗ C ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 20 ಇಂಟು 5 ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 100. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ 212 ಅಂದರೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಫ್ಯಾರನೈಟಲ್ಲಿ 212 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾರನೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ 100 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಸಚ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ, one more question I will do and then I will move into the next topic. Okay, see, very simple question. If f of x is equal to x square, find f of 1.1 minus f of 1 divided by 1.1 minus 1. See, if f of x is equal to x square, f of x ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿ, image of x ಎಷ್ಟು? image of x ಎಷ್ಟು? x square. image of x ಎಷ್ಟು? x square. ಓಕೆ, image of 1.1 ನೋಡಿ, f of 1.1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು? image of 1.1 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಥರ image of 1, f of 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ image of 1 ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆನಂತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆನಂತರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ f of 1, f of x is nothing but x square. f of 1 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? f of 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1.1 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 1.1 ಇದು 1.1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1.1 ಅಂದರೆ 1.1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, 1.1ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 1.21 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 11 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 121, 1.1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 1.21. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1.1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್, ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ 1.1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1.1 ಎಷ್ಟು? 1.21 ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1.1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, 1.21 ಇಂದ 1 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು? 0.21. 1.1 ಇಂದ 1 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 0.1 ಉಳಿತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 2.1 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟನ್ನು ಈಚೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೂ ನಡೀತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು, ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ 1 ಆಯಿತು, ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು 2.1 ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ 2.1 ಬೈ 1 ಅಂದರೆ 2.1 ಹಾಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಓಕೆ.